Hello everyone, I am Shubham. Welcome back to my channel. Before starting with this, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, I request you to subscribe it and press the bell icon. So as we all know in this present world, how copy and paste are important to us. It helps us in many purposes in this present world. We can use these two tools for purpose like preparing the notes for presentation purpose, etc. So for this, I have come up with one video by which it is very easy to copy many things and store at one place, by which it helps us to know what all we have copied and that we need for some work. So let's start. First we need to download an app. Go to Google Play Store. In search type as Copy Bubble. Click on install. I have installed it already, so I can open directly from here. It will open. After opening the app, it appears like this. This is the bubble. We can place it anywhere like this. Then go to settings. These are the general settings. Mark on auto start. Hide bubble status bar icon. Also mark this. Adjust the bubble size. This is small. This is middle. This is big. Better keep it as middle. You can also make this bubble transparent, translucent, opaque. Better keep it translucent. So let's go now how to use this app. Go to Google search. You can search anything which you want to copy. Let's click on this. We will go to Wikipedia. So now the bubble has count 0. If we want to copy this paragraph, click and select it. And copy. So now the bubble count will become 1. The copy will store in the bubble like this. Next we want to copy this. Select it. And copy. Then bubble count will become 2. This is here. Next if we want to copy this, copy. It's stored in this. The bubble count will become 3. Now we'll click here. So the sentences which we have copied are stored here now. This is the first which we have copied. This is second and this is third. If suppose we want to edit this, click here like this and edit what we want to edit. And tap here to save like this. So it is saved. So if you want this sentence or paragraph to copy, then select this like this and paste it where you want to paste this like this. Paste it here. So this was a paragraph which we have copied and pasted it here. So it is easy, we can copy multiple things at one place and paste it, or we can prepare notes when we need. If we want to copy this now, then select this and paste it here. Also sometimes we have work with links, so we can copy even the links like this. We can copy the link. It is stored here like this. We can copy multiple links if you want. So go here, copy one more link like this. So one more link copied. We can share it when we need by clicking on a bubble and tapping on the link. If you want to copy this link and paste somewhere like this, go here and paste it here like this. After your work is done, click on bubble like this and click on close option, which is of no use now. So close like this if you want. If this is over, close this. This is over, close this. So close this and close this. If you press and hold on this bubble like this, we will get three options. The bottom one is settings. The middle one option is not visible. If you click on this, the bubble is not visible like this. Then again, if you want it to be visible, go here and click on the eye symbol like this. Then it is again visible. The upper one is closed. If you click on it, it will close the app like this. So in this way, we can use this app. This will help a lot for presentation purpose, for information. I have shared the link of this app in description. You can go through it. So I hope you all understood this. Please like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you guys. See you guys in next video.